Welcome to the world of wooden crafts, where creativity meets functionality in the realm of home decor. This guide aims to inspire and inform both aspiring artisans and seasoned woodworkers about the myriad possibilities that wooden crafts offer. From the warmth of reclaimed wood to the elegance of finely finished pieces, woodworking allows you to transform raw materials into stunning decor items that not only enhance living spaces, but also resonate with personal stories and values. Whether you're looking to start a new hobby, develop a small business, or simply explore your artistic side, this journey into woodworking is filled with opportunities. In today's rapidly evolving home decor landscape, wooden crafts have carved out a significant niche, marrying aesthetic appeal with practical utility. The allure of handcrafted wooden items lies not only in their beauty, but also in their sustainability. By utilizing reclaimed wood and innovative woodworking techniques, artisans can create unique pieces that reflect individual style while promoting eco-friendly practices. This guide delves into various aspects of wooden crafts, including essential techniques, job opportunities, effective marketing strategies, and the potential for profitability. Whether you're motivated by a passion for craftsmanship or the desire to explore a new business venture, understanding these elements will empower you to navigate the exciting world of woodworking with confidence and creativity. If you're enjoying this content and want to stay updated on all things related to woodworking and home decor, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and by clicking that subscribe button, you'll never miss out on our latest tips, tutorials, and creative ideas. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the information helpful, as it helps us reach more craft enthusiasts like you. And please share this video with friends and family who might be interested in starting their own woodworking journey or enhancing their home decor. Stick around until the end of the video for some exclusive insights and bonus content that you won't want to miss. Your adventure in woodworking starts here. Eco-friendly sourcing. Sourcing reclaimed wood is not just environmentally friendly. It also adds character and history to your projects. Many artisans find beauty in the imperfections of reclaimed materials, which can tell a story. By scouring local demolition sites, thrift stores, or online marketplaces, you can discover unique pieces that are rich in texture and color. Understanding how to assess the quality of reclaimed wood, looking for structural integrity, and avoiding rot is crucial. This eco-conscious approach not only appeals to environmentally aware consumers, but also supports sustainable practices within the industry. Basic woodworking techniques. Building a solid foundation in woodworking techniques is essential for producing high-quality crafts. Skills such as precise cutting, accurate measuring, and effective joining are fundamental. Mastery of tools like saws, drills, and sanders is crucial for ensuring safety and achieving desired outcomes. Additionally, learning about grain direction, wood types, and their properties can inform your design choices, allowing you to select the best materials for each project. As your skills develop, you'll gain the confidence to tackle more complex designs, expanding your creative possibilities. Finishing technique. The finishing process transforms raw wood into polished, market-ready products. Various techniques, including staining, painting, or applying natural oils, can significantly affect the final appearance and durability. For instance, oil finishes can enhance the wood's natural grain while providing a protective layer, whereas paints can offer vibrant colors and textures that appeal to modern tastes. Understanding the properties of different finishes and how they interact with various wood types is key. This knowledge allows artisans to tailor their finishing choices to suit both aesthetic goals and functional requirements, ensuring longevity and beauty. Creative design concepts. Innovation in design is what sets wooden crafts apart in a crowded market. Exploring various styles, such as minimalist, rustic, or contemporary, can help you identify your niche. Integrating geometric patterns, mixed materials like metal or glass, or personal touches can attract diverse customer demographics. Keeping abreast of design trends through platforms like Pinterest and Instagram can inspire new ideas and help you anticipate consumer preferences. Engaging in design challenges or collaborating with other artists can further enhance your creative process and lead to groundbreaking designs. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing is essential for reaching potential customers and standing out in a competitive landscape. Utilizing social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allows artisans to showcase their work visually, engage with followers, and build a community. Creating a professional website that features high-quality images, customer testimonials, and a clear brand story can enhance credibility. Participating in local craft fairs and markets provides an opportunity to interact directly with customers, receive immediate feedback, and build a local customer base. Establishing a consistent brand voice across all marketing channels helps reinforce your identity and attract a loyal following. Customization options. Customization is a powerful tool in the woodworking market, allowing for personal connections between the artisan and the customer. Offering options such as size variations, choice of finishes, or personalized engravings can significantly enhance the appeal of your products. This approach not only caters to individual tastes, but also creates unique items that consumers are often willing to pay a premium for. Building a reputation for quality craftsmanship and responsive customer service can lead to strong word-of-mouth referrals, further boosting your business. Online selling platforms. Expanding your reach through online selling platforms can significantly boost sales. Websites like Etsy and Amazon Handmade offer dedicated spaces for artisans to showcase their crafts. Understanding the nuances of each platform, such as audience demographics, fees, and promotional tools, can help optimize your listings for success. High-quality product photography, detailed descriptions, and strategic use of keywords are essential for standing out in search results. Additionally, leveraging email marketing to inform subscribers about new products or promotions can keep your audience engaged and drive repeat business. Engaging in wooden crafts offers a rewarding blend of creativity and business potential. By mastering woodworking techniques, embracing sustainability, and employing effective marketing strategies, you can create stylish and functional decor items that resonate with consumers. This journey not only fosters artistic expression, but also leads to significant opportunities in the woodworking industry, allowing you to transform your passion into a profitable venture. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and support as we explore the wonderful world of woodworking and home decor together. If you found the content valuable and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging tutorials and ideas. Sharing this video with friends and family who might be interested can help us grow our community of craft enthusiasts. And don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us know what you enjoy and allows us to create more of the content you love. Your engagement means a lot to us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting projects and inspiration in the future.